Video tour of SANDPIPER 316BHT. I'm going to just do a nice scan of the awning. You can tell that's in really nice condition. It is a newer one that we put on. It's called a Tough Top awning. It's very, very strong. All the outside storage has the gas shocks on it. The upgraded marine speakers are on your left of the front door. As you come in, there's a nice little mini fridge on your left hand side. Stepping in, you're looking at the couch and some storage with your entertainment center on the right. I'm just going to take a nice shot of the ceiling. You can see how clean everything is. And the couch does fold out into a bed. The dinette set folds down into a bed. Then on your left you have your kitchen countertops, your sink, storage below, 3-burner stove, storage above, ceiling fan, pull-out kitchen faucet with the spray on it. That is a home-style faucet, very good quality. I'm going to turn around towards the back bunk room again. You see the flooring that we put in. This is with one door shut. I'm just going to pull this other door shut quick. So the doors are actually in a corner. And you can have one door, either one of the doors open if you want just one door open, or you can open it up with both doors. So this would be with both doors open from the living room. Coming into the bunk room, we got your bunks on the left hand side. And at the end of the bunk you have more storage. The ceiling here. And this is with one door closed. Both doors closed. Or just the other door open. And you have more storage, your vanity, the shower retrofit we did. The shower curtain there is to protect the window and shades. The drain for the shower is there. Walk in, your shower head is right on the back wall there, and then your faucet is actually on the right hand side. Coming back out, this would be coming back out into the main living area. You get a better view of the storage by the front door. Coming up into the bedroom. Got king size bed. 2-drawer and 4-drawer dressers. Full big huge closet with some shelves, shoe storage, more shelves on the other side. Again, I want to do a shot of the ceiling here. Facing back out towards the main living area, you've got your vanity, storage above and below, the shower, skylight above, oxygenics shower head, and then across on your left would be the other potty room with the super vent fan. and more storage. So I hope this helps give you a little bit better idea of the layout and how things were done in here. And thanks for taking your time to watch this.